Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Open this book of yours, your main course book. Mute your system. Children, mute your system and close your camera. This is Standard 3 English, Lesson 5, Ammachi's Brilliant Trap, Part 2. This is Standard 3 English, Lesson 5, Ammachi's Brilliant Traps, Part 2. In the previous class, we got to know the characters of this lesson. The main characters in this lesson are Ammachi, that is Granny, Appachin, that is Grandpa, and a little boy called Suraj. Ammachi loves to prepare uniappams, a kind of sweets, a kind of sweet prepared in Kerala. People in Kerala are very fond of these unniyappams. Very often they prepare this. In the previous class, we read the story about Ammachi and how she prepares those delicious unniyappams and they go missing. So Ammachi is very upset. Ammachi is annoyed because she prepared those uniappams and they go missing. So she wants to know who is stealing them. Her grandson Suraj is helping her to find out the thief or the culprit. In the process, Ammachi and Suraj they have a discussion and they decide about things to trap the culprit. Suraj gives his opinion by saying it must be the wild cat. It must be the wild cat that is coming from the open window and stealing away the uniappams. So Granny plans, thinks about ideas to trap the thief, the person who is stealing away the unniyappam. And Suraj, he is there with Granny, listening to her ideas, her plan, what she is planning to do, how to trap the person. So, the first idea or the first trap Granny plans goes waste because Suraj comes running to her and he says that the trap, what she had fixed, is as it is. There's no change or nothing has happened, but the uniappams are missing again. So yesterday's class we got to know so much. Today we will continue the second part of the lesson. So pay attention, mute your system. Page number 32. I restart again. Our first trap is for the civet. When he comes through the window, he'll fall straight right into this basket. His weight will make the lid fall shut automatically. So Granny's trap was for the wild cat that comes through the window. She has planned. Amazing, said Suraj. This one is for Penny. If she tries to eat the uniapam, she will be instantly trapped under the bucket. So, Granny is discussing with Suraj, and Suraj knows everything in detail. And this hidden camera will catch up a chain red handed, said Amachi. If he lifts the uniapams off the plate, the string will slip out and trigger the camera shutter. So, Granny has made or planned three traps for three people. One is the civet, that is the wildcat, the second one is the penny, and the third one is for upper chain, that is grandfather. She has fixed a hidden camera, so when grandpa goes and tries to pick up the uniapams, he will be caught red-handed. Genius, said Suraj. Genius, said Suraj. And now we wait. An hour passed. Amachi was in her rocking chair reading her favorite science book when Suraj came running. So, Granny, Amachi, she fixed everything and then she goes back to the hall, taking rest in her rocking chair, reading her favorite science book. And at that time, Suraj comes running. Amachi, come and look. The traps have been sprung. Oh, said Amachi, let's see. The basket trap is empty. The camera didn't go off either, but the uniapams are all gone, said Amachi. So when Granny was taking rest in her rocking chair and reading her favorite science book, Suraj comes running to her to give the news, to give the message. He says, Ammaji, come and look. The traps have been sprung. Oh, said Ammaji, let's see. The basket trap is empty. The camera didn't go off either. So Ammaji, she goes to the kitchen to check if she has found anything or the person who is stealing the uniapam. When she goes to the kitchen, she was surprised to see things are as it is, how she had planned or how she had fixed. Nothing has been changed. The traps are as it is, but only what is missing is the delicious uniapams. The delicious uniapams are missing again. So it was a surprise. It was a shock to Granny how it is possible. But the uniapams are all gone, said Ammachi. Again, what a clever thief, said Ammachi. Maybe we should lay three more traps. Yes, said Suraj. But what will we use as bait? Don't we have three more uniapams left in the oven? Asked Suraj. So Granny is planning now to rearrange another new traps, another new three traps to trap the person, to trap the thief who's stealing the uniapam. And she says, first she said, what a clever thief for the person. In spite of fixing all the traps, the thief very cleverly has stolen the uniapams. So she says, maybe we should lay three more traps. Three more traps. Yes, said Suraj. Suraj is always there with Ammachi. So he's asking, now But what will we use as bait? That is, in the first time, to target or to trap the thief, Ammachi used the uniappams. So now what you are going to use? What are you going to keep there to tempt the thief? So Suraj is asking, don't we have 3 more uniappams left in the oven? That means Suraj checked everything. He knows how many uniappams are left in the oven. So he's asking Granny to keep those 3 uniappams again. Ha, said Ammachi. Not so clever after all, I see. Yeah, said Suraj. What? So now Granny understood who is the thief. How did you know that there were 3 uniforms left? Suraj asked Ammachi. So Granny had a big question to Suraj. How did you know that there were 3 uniforms left? Asked Ammachi. And how did you know they were hidden in the oven? So grandma is questioning Suraj, how did you know that there were 3 uniforms left in the oven? How do you know? Come on, answer me. Yeah, oh. So Suraj is caught now. And I didn't tell anyone else how the trap worked. Only you could have sprung them without getting caught. So grandmother got a clue that it is none other than Suraj who is stealing the uniforms. When she questioned him about how he knew that there were only 3 uniforms in the oven, he had no answer. He started blabbering, he started stammering because he had no answer. Because he was caught, he did not have answer. So grandma tells, and I have not told anyone about it. Nobody has seen me fixing these traps. Nobody has seen me fixing these traps. It is only you who know that I am fixing this trap to catch the culprit. So Suraj had no answer because he understood that he was caught. He understood that he was caught because grandma caught him red-handed. Okay, okay, said Suraj. So now he had to cover up, he had to make grandma feel comfortable because grandma understood it is he who has stolen the uniapums. Okay? Hello? Hello? Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Suraj understood that Granny has caught him. Granny has caught him and he has no answer now to Granny. He has no answer to Granny. That is why he is quiet. Children, this happens even with us. Okay, okay, said Suraj. Okay, okay, said Suraj. You caught me. I am the Uniapam thief. So Suraj finally agrees that he has stolen the Uniapams. I knew it, said Ammachi. Those uniapams were too delicious. So Suraj is telling Ammachi, those uniapams were too delicious. You are such a good cook. So Ammachi, she prepared those uniapams very tasty. So Suraj could not control his uh, habit of going and eating, or he could not control, he could not, he was not satisfied with whatever he ate. So he wanted to eat more and more because it was so delicious. Those uniapams were too delicious, Ammachi, said Suraj. You are such a good cook. Ha ha ha, you little flatter. You little flatter, said Ammachi. So Ammachi knew that it was Suraj who was stealing it, who gets to eat the remaining uniapams. Now, there are three uniapams left in the oven. There are three uniapams left in the oven, and Suraj is still asking Ammachi, who will get to eat those three remaining uniapams? Ha ha ha, come, we'll share them. Oh no, said Ammachi, the uniapams are gone again. There were three uniapams left in the oven. So when Ammachi goes to the kitchen to find it, she has taken even that. So, children, tell me, is it good habit to steal things in the house and especially food? Is it a good manner? Is it a good manner? Bad manner. If you want something, if you like some food items, if you like some sweets, whatever your mother makes, you can ask your mother to give you again. You can ask your mother to give again. Okay? She will prepare and give you. You should not steal. You should not steal. Stealing is a bad habit. Stealing is a bad habit, and one day it will put you into trouble. If you don't stop that habit, you will continue it. Today you are doing it in your house. Tomorrow when you go out with your friends, you will do it with your friend. And tomorrow if you go to your friend's house, you will do it again there. So children, it is a bad habit. It is a bad habit. You should not steal any things, whether it is food or any other things. It's a bad habit. If anyone sees you doing that, you will get a bad remark. People will think that you are a thief. People will think you are a thief. Grandma, she was so clever, she knew and she understood that it was Suraj who was stealing the uniapams. So she planned for this trick and she was planning to trap it was Suraj. She knew that she wanted Suraj to come and tell that it was he who was stealing. And Suraj, after Granny telling him also there were three uniforms left, he goes and eats that also. This is very wrong, children. So, Ammachi teaches a lesson to Suraj. Ammachi, she teaches a lesson to Suraj that stealing, whether you steal food or whether you steal things, it is a bad habit. We should not steal things. We should not speak lies. So, this lesson teaches us about values, good manners. There are children who get tempted to take away other children's color pencils, compass, pouch, or any new pencil they bring, or any colorful different erasers they bring. We should not have that habit. So it is a lesson for Suraj. It is a lesson for Suraj that Ammachi taught him, that he was caught